email that came from OpenAI ChatGPT that said you're off the waiting list and now you can go ahead and upgrade. Choose an upgraded plan to access the ChatGPT. That means I can go ahead and pay $20 a month to access the upgraded version of the ChatGPT. I do want to do that, but I want to do it over screen sharing so that you also can see what exactly the plan is about, what's the process, and what changes once you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. So let's go ahead and see that. So now after that email, after I'm off the waiting list, what I see is that I have an option here on the left hand side that says upgrade your plan. If you don't see it, that means you still are on the waiting list or you are not in the US at the moment. So I do want to upgrade. Let's go ahead and see what happens. Upgrade your plan. So now you can see that I'm on the free plan. That's my current plan on the left hand side. So available when demand is low. So many of the times you have seen that it says it's at capacity and it won't process your request. Standard response speed and regular model update. So nowadays I have observed that when you enter something, the ChatGPT won't respond immediately. It will keep on blinking for a while and then it will give you the answer. So the benefits of ChatGPT Plus, of course, please note that it comes at a cost of $20 a month. Available even when demand is high. That means you will not get the message. We are at our capacity. Faster response speed and priority access to new features. That means maybe the features will be made available to me even before they are released to public. So let's go ahead, try and see how can I upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. So let's go ahead, click on upgrade plan. So it has navigated to a different page. You can see that on the left hand side it says the amount, it's $20. Enter address to calculate the tax, which I'm going to do on the right hand side. Some of the information, of course, I'm going to blur to, of course, for the privacy reasons. I'm going to add my shipping address. Okay, in goes my shipping address with my zip code that gives and calculates the sales tax. Let me add my credit card details. And I have to accept the terms and condition, which says that you will be charged the amount listed above every month until you cancel. We may change our prices as described in our terms of use. You can cancel anytime by subscribing. You agree to OpenAI's terms of use and privacy policy. Let's go ahead, click on subscribe. No thanks. Okay, it's processing. I can see the message here. It's processing, check mark. That means it is processed. Yep, the payment is received. Click on continue to begin using your ChatGPT Plus account. Okay, now the only thing I see which had changed is this ChatGPT Plus, and rest of the UI remains the same. I'm on ChatGPT Jan 30th version. I see a lot of text that was followed after it is also missing. Let's try, like, let's use a default prompt and see what the response is like. How do I make HTTP request? Okay, the blinks were short and it's typing pretty fast. I can see that. Yep, definitely pretty fast than the general ChatGPT. It's done. Let's see if it had something that it haven't produced. Yep, so that problem still exists, that ChatGPT will stop writing the response for you at a certain stage and you have to write continue. That problem is still there even if I'm on ChatGPT Plus. So guys, this is what exactly I wanted to show you. How do you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus and how the UI looks like when you're on ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do now is I'm paying $20 a month. I have to ensure that I get work that is at least worth $20 a month or more than that. I'm also going to show you different use cases of using ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT to increase your own productivity, to increase productivity while you're running your business, how you can use ChatGPT on different use cases. Maybe we can also try and create an app out of ChatGPT. This all coming in my videos, so stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you.